Janab Akbaruddin sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to ask few questions to Honorable Minister for Minority Welfare, sir. Sir, first and foremost, sir, for the question B, the question was whether it is also a fact that the state government has not initiated action to issue Gazette notification for the second survey of land. For the reply and answer was no, sir. Sir, the C question is, if so, the steps taken by the government to issue Gazette notification for the second survey of Waqf lands in Telangana. Honorable Minister Saab says does not arise. Sir, why I say this, sir? I would like to just brief. So the Survey Commissioner Waqf has to conduct the survey of all Waqf properties of the state and should prepare the list and should submit the same to the government. As per the Section 5(1) of Central Waqf Act 1995. The government, after receiving the second survey report from the Survey Commissioner of Waqf, under Section 4 of 3 of Waqf Act 1995, shall forward a copy to the Waqf Board, and the Waqf Board, after receiving the survey report from the government, shall examine it and publish an official gazette. This is under Section 5 of 2, sir, of the Waqf Act 1995. Moreover, all the entries which have been made in second survey report of Waqf are in official capacity, supported by valid legal documents, and this office is standing with the claim and such as a question of an has been asked, sir, and the reply given is does not arise. How can it be, sir? Sir, एक कायदा है, एक कानून है जो मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाया, इसके हिसाब से ये प्रोसीजर को एडॉप्ट करना पड़ता है और प्रोसीजर को एडॉप्ट करके आपको नोटिफाई करना पड़ता है, और मिनिस्टर साहब बोल रहे डज नॉट अराइज। सर, इसी वजह से वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज तबाह हो रही हैं, बर्बाद हो रही हैं सर, कोई पुरसाने हल नहीं है सर। सर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क few more questions, sir. The first question is, in the second survey, I would like to know as to total how many Waqf institutions were visited and inspected. One, sir. Second question, how many acres of land was identified in the second survey of Waqf land? Third question, sir, what are the documents verified and supported in the claim for Waqf land, sir, to be Waqf land, sir, by the Waqf Board? Sir, I would also like to know, sir, the fourth question, the signature of MRO is compulsory on the survey reports of the second survey of Waqf lands or not? Sir, fifth question, till date, how many second survey Waqf institutions land files were cleared and pending with the revenue department, sir? Sir, I would also like to know what are the reasons the government has not taken any process to notify Gazette the second survey, the land which were identified in the second survey, sir. Sir, I would like to have a specific answers for this question, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, ये हो रहा ये साहब कि ये अब आप देखिए सर, ये रिपोर्ट 2014 में दी गई सर, 2014 से लेके 2020 आ गया साहब। रिपोर्ट देने के बाद द ड्यू प्रोसीजर इज द वक्फ बोर्ड एम्प्लॉय शुड गो वेरीफाई, reconcile with the revenue department, then give it to the government. Government has to issue a notification, and if any objection comes and no objection comes, then the gazette has to be published. Once the gazette is published, there is a specific time period where anyone can go and challenge. If the gazette is not challenged in the specific period of time, then it cannot be challenged again. अब हो रहा है साहब, ये लोग ये प्रोसेस नहीं कर रहे हैं, गजट नहीं छाप रहे हैं, सेकेंड सर्वे में वक्फ लैंड होने के बावजूद भी लीगली वी कैनॉट फाइट द बैटल, वी आर लूजिंग द बैटल एंड वी लूजिंग द लैंड, सर। तो ये इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा स्पीकर साहब, मिनिस्टर साहब को बोलिए स्पेसिफिक आंसर्स दीजिए और इस पे जो भी कार्रवाई करना है जल्दी करिए, वक्फ लैंड को बचाइए।
Akbar sir.
Speaker, sir. So through you, I would like to thank the Minister for giving a detailed reply on this subject, sir. Sir, he has given the details as to how many properties or of the institutions of WACC identified in the second survey. And this, the work has started, he said, on 426, 925 is remaining. Sir, through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to please kindly spell out a specific time for completion of this entire process of issuing the gazette. This is very important, sir. The reason I'm saying this, sir, this has been pending from 2016, sir. Sir, I go by what the Honorable Minister Saab had said on the floor, that 426 properties have been, the process has been completed. But as far as my knowledge goes, sir, no, sir, nothing as such has happened. Always the work board says that they don't have employees to do this work and the files have not been sent. Anyway, I go by with the Honorable Minister Saab is saying, I might be wrong, he's correct because he's saying it on the floor. Sir, I request that the government in the floor of this house, on my demand, had said, Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said, to protect the work properties, we will give judicial powers to work board. So through you, I would like to ask the Minister Saab, Chief Minister का कि जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे वक्फ बोर्ड को, ये वादा कब पूरा होगा, कब जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे, कब वक्फ बोर्ड की जायदादों को बचाएंगे? Sir, for 20 years I have been screaming, shouting for waqf land, sir. Microsoft, ISB, Wipro, everything has come on waqf land. Buildings पे building, international airport has come up on the waqf board land. तो पूरा बोर्ड का लैंड्स पूरा जा रहा है साहब. तो जब तक जुडिशियल पावर नहीं देंगे, जब तक हम वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज को बचा नहीं सकते सर. सर अब ये फर्स्ट सर्वे में ऑलमोस्ट 77,000 acres of land है सर. के 426 properties have been sold. के 400 बोले कि 3,072 acres of land has been identified. अगर 13,000 are the institutes, sir. 13,000 are the total institute who have waqf land. But the acreage of waqf land is 3,000, sir. 3,000, sir. अगर gazette नहीं आया तो ये 3,000 भी चले जाएंगे. 77,000, sir. Through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to kindly call for a meeting, sir. ये बड़ा vast subject है, sir. Call for a meeting. Let us sit together and see what is the encroachment. Who are the encroachers? And let us sit together and identify and see how best we can protect the waqf land. We need to protect the waqf land, sir. Sir, recently an article came in the newspaper. 1 lakh crore के सब, I would say not 1 lakh crore, sir. 10 lakh crore के वक्त की जायदादें जो तबाह बर्बाद हो रही हैं, sir. Sir, through you I request, sir, Honorable Minister साहब को कि प्लीज बुलाइए और जुडिशियल पावर वक्फ बोर्ड को जो देंगे बोले थे वो प्लीज इमीडिएटली वो दीजिए, सर. थैंक यू, सर.
Fly, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Dubai. Umrah packages. International and domestic ticketing and passport services approved by ITA. Supreme Air Travel Services, a trusted name in air travel services. Backside Hajj House. Contact 8855 556 786.